The unexpected error in the ALDI Mobile app typically arises during payment processing, app loading, or server interactions. To immediately address this, start by force refreshing the app by logging out and back in, clearing any temporary server-side caches. Next, verify your internet connection. Switch to Wi-Fi if you're on cellular data. If the issue persists, check ALDI Mobile's official Twitter, X handle, or status page for server status updates, especially following the August 2025 DDoS attack. For payment-related errors, ensure your payment methods are updated and use the app's Troubleshoot Payment feature to reset payment sessions. The error is often rooted in software and infrastructure fundamentals, such as cache problems, server status connectivity, and payment processing failures. If these quick fixes don't work, move on to more in-depth troubleshooting. If basic steps don't work, start with clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find ALDI Mobile, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. For iOS devices, offload the app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find ALDI Mobile, and select Offload App to clear temporary data. Ensure your ALDI Mobile app is updated to the latest version. Version 5.2.1 from September 2025 addressed cache-related crashes and other issues. Check your device OS compatibility. There are known issues with Android 15 and iOS 18 that can cause unexpected errors in October 2025. If using a VPN, temporarily disable it as it can interfere with secure connections. For ongoing issues, uninstall and reinstall the app entirely. For payment errors, verify your bank isn't blocking the transaction. Check your account settings and contact your bank if needed. Long-term, ALDI Mobile is integrating AI to auto-detect and fix errors. The FCC fine for poor support led to AI support bots in beta. Avoid third-party fix apps due to malware risks and use official channels.